My name is Dr. Christopher LaCroix. I work at VivaMed in Greenville, North Carolina. I've owned it since 2015. We've been seeing more patients, more referrals. The phone's been ringing off the hook. We've gotten a lot more people in a quick manner so that we've been able to grow our business, to add a new doctor, new procedures, and much more employees to be able to take care of just all the new referrals that we've had. It actually didn't take very long at all. With just in a few quick months, we started seeing an increase in phone calls and the number of referrals. We had people telling us that they found us on the web for the first time, which was great. After about 6 to 8 months with all the different articles and content that we've been writing and they've been helping us with, we started ranking number 2 and number 3 on the Google webpage and the TriPack, I think as they call it, and it's greatly increased our revenue as well as just like I said, daily referrals and just overall community awareness of our business.